How to add items to your wish list on Shein application. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you like a certain item but are not thinking to buy it right now, you can add the items to wish list. For this, launch the app, open the item that you want to add to wish list, and there is a heart icon which is under the bottom left corner. Just tap on the heart and it will change its color to black, which means it has been added to your wish list. You can do the same for the other products as well, which means you just have to tap on the product that you want to buy, and once that is done, you can just add in the wish list by tapping on the heart. Now let's go back and check the wish list. For this, click on the me or the profile icon on the bottom right, and under the support section, you'll have the wish list section, which is containing all the items that you have recently added. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.